This is why thousands are choosing ZeroHarm's Liver Detox Tablets.
Number 1, it cleanses and detoxifies the liver. This means even after drinking or eating out, you won't feel fatigued and tired all day. Number 2, it restores and protects the liver from cell damage. So if you have a fatty liver, these tablets may effectively reverse it. Number 3, it boosts metabolic activity by helping the liver produce more bile. This makes fat break down easier and improves nutrient absorption. And the best part about these tablets? These are made up of 70% active ingredients, which includes clinically tested ayurvedic herbs like milkthistle, dandelionextract, and turmeric peptide. Also, they are nano-formulated, which means all the ingredients deeply and completely absorb into your body without waste. This is why 90% of users started feeling more active and energized from the very first month. Don't wait to detoxify your liver.